Today, we've invited people from all across the state of Indiana, teachers, administrators, industry partners, and many others for our Design and Innovation Studio Summit, which marks the 5-year anniversary of putting design and innovation studios into schools across our state. The target of which is to develop advanced manufacturing workforce and workforce development programs at an earlier and earlier age to continue to keep Indiana's manufacturing economy strong.
Over the past 5 years, we've implemented over 100 design innovation studios across Indiana, both within K-8 spaces and industry. What we're hearing from teachers in regards to testimonials that they're providing to us about the usage of the space is really around students who are more associated with kinetic learning or are able to learn by doing. And that was one of our main goals with the design innovation studio model, as well as providing earlier access to this type of technology.
The tools and equipment that are given to us as part of our STEM studios are like nothing else that we've ever had at the elementary level. It's robotics, circuitry, 3D printers. This is something altogether new for us at this level, and I'm talking kindergarten through 5th grade.
The Design Innovation Studio model was set up to emulate Industry 4.0 technology and to help provide earlier access for the skills gap that's happening from a global and national level. And so we identified Industry 4.0 like technology to emulate into the classroom. So if you look at robotics, computer science, additive printing, 3D printing, engineering design, utilizing Tinkercad from a CAD design.
Everyone in our school is 3D printing, grades K-5. They're coding, they're creating, they're doing all these things that would have been super difficult to pull off had we not had the studio and had we not had the equipment that comes with it and the curriculum that comes with it. It really just builds and complements everything that we kind of already had either in place or in mind to do.
A student who may be in a traditional classroom setting where you have pencil to paper are excelling when they go into the design and studio space and they're able to articulate or lead in a different way. They also find that those students are being more successful in regards to talking through the problem solving piece of it.
So we actually do teach and playback on our DoBots, and we just show them this is how you move it. We do like a 5-minute intro. Once they do that, the kids start doing all kinds of just crazy things. They just get really creative with it, and then sometimes our DoBots don't listen or follow the code, and we can't figure out why, and then the student jumps on and figures it out like real time right there. It's really cool to talk to the teachers. They'll come tell us like, hey, you know, this student over here, we have some problems in class with them participating, and then 10 minutes into them being in the lab, they're like leading the robot station or they're leading the IndyCar station and the activity that we're having them do. There is definitely a light bulb moment for those kids in that room, and it's super fast.
Our industry partners right now have seen over 7,000 students come through in 1 year, and they're able to provide a formal learning environment around industry and career awareness that's able to utilize with that K-8 space. In previous times, it would have been in the high school space.
For us as a company, you know, seeing this type of technology being exposed to the young students in the area, it will show them that, you know, this technology actually can be fun. These various activities that the students see while they're in our studio are really preparing them for the future. IN-MaC really brought to us another opportunity to kind of expose the science and technology and what we do as a company then to a much younger audience.